Hello guys, my name is Nikhil Larokar and today we are going to see how to combine two sheets using some Excel tricks. So with the help of join, we can combine two sheets, or with the help of query in Excel, we can join two sheets with together. So here I have two sheets, order and returns. So in returns I have only two columns, and in order I have so lots of columns. So with the help of order ID column, I wanted to join this returns data into this orders data. So to do that, I have to just convert this normal data into table. So to convert this normal data into table, just click on that data. So here, if you click here, then your data is selected. Go to the home and select format as a table. If you clicked on it, there are lots of format is there. You have to just click on any format and your data is getting converted into a table now. So same thing I am doing for this returns also. So I am converting this returns data into a table format. So just I'm clicking on any cell and just clicking on format as a table, and just click on any type of format you want. So I'm clicking on the same format I don't need different format. So now my data is getting converted into a column. So now my data is ready, means my table is ready. So I wanted to convert this table, means I wanted to make this table as a query. So to convert this table as a query, go to the data and click on the from table. Now the query editor is arrived. So this type of pop-up is coming now, and you have to just click here close and load, and click close and load here. So a new sheet is preparing for us actually. So here the new sheet is prepared now. I am doing same thing for the returns also. So I'm going into that return sheet and just going to data and clicking on from table. Click on the from table and just close and load. So same thing we have to do for this two table. So the two new sheets are getting formed into our Excel after that. So see here, my sheet 5 and sheet 6 is, these two sheets are new in my Excel. So now my table is ready. So I just wanted to connect these two table with the help of query, Excel query. So now you can see here the query button is query button is there in Excel now. So you have to just click on that query button, go to the merge, click on that merge, or go to the merge, it's your choice. You can see anything for that. And I wanted to join these two columns on the basis of, but where is my second column? So you have to just click, here is your table 1 and here is your table 2. So no, it's table 1 3 maybe, yeah. So now here two table are ready. So on the basis of order ID column, I wanted to join these two sheets. So I am taking only include matching rows. So wherever this order ID is matching with this data, so that much data is coming in another Excel, another sheet, sorry. So same thing I am doing now. I have to just click on the OK button. So now you can see here the query is running, and same thing you have to do here also. But here you can see here the table is joined with the previous table, but from the table I need only one column, so I am taking only one column. So clicking OK, and now I am getting my data. See here, you got your data already. If you want to click on the another column also, then you can click, but now that query is gone, so now you can't do these things. And just same thing you have to do here also, close and load. So your new data is created now. Now you can see here your database is ready now. So with the help of query, using this query thing, we can combine our two sheets using a single, means what we can say, that a common column, a common thing we need in two sheets actually. So with using that common column or common thing, we can say that we can combine two sheets using that common column. So that's what we can do here. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll come up with many more videos. Till that, take care and keep learning. Thank you so much. Bye.